So right now, I'm gonna go get my hair perm. And the scary part is, it's super cheap. It's like $10 or some shit like that. They told me not to get a perm with still permed hair. Look at this shit. I'm scared, bro. Now I'm sweating like crazy, bro. How do you like the hair?
Don't like it.
Yo guys, today is the day that we leave to China. Can't say too much right now. I'm gonna go see my family. I can't say too much right now because we're running late, so I gotta go. To be comfortable first, I gotta wash my Crocs. Fuck it. Picture, smile. Oh, it's a video. Damn, it's doing them kicks though. Cause I'm looking at the Vince I'm storing, bro. Yo guys, it's super loud in the airplane. There's really nothing to say, so I'll just catch y'all when I land. Yo guys, basically we arrived now. Catch y'all when I get off the plane. Switches arrived. How was the plane ride for you?
Tired as fuck, bro.
Bro, I was sleeping like the whole ride. That's why I didn't record anything.
Yo, what the hell? Fuck!
Fuck is this?
Don't show my hair. It's like a
What the
mushroom,
fuck is
bro.
this? Hairpin, bro. Why would you ever want a bald guy to cut your hair, bro? Time for another shower. Literally, I took like 2 showers in the span of 40 minutes. Let's do this again. Fuck! Hi guys, this is my grandma.
大家好。
Guys, so right now, I'm gonna go get my hair perm. And the scary part is, it's super cheap. It's like $10 or some shit like that. I'm actually kind of scared because I don't want my hair to be fucked up. I don't know why they have it so expensive in America, but it's super cheap here. I don't know if the quality is gonna be bad, but I'm kind of scared. I'll show y'all the process, I think. I'll try my best to record it in there. Yeah, a cheap hair perm video. What the fuck? Where am I going? Okay, so I have no idea where this hair salon place is at. This is like, bro, it don't feel right. I'm going with my grandma. She's gonna pay for me. Yeah. This don't feel right to me, low key. Oh shit. This is the place, I guess. Bro, what the fuck is this? Honestly, I don't know how to feel right now. I don't know where I'm at. Look at this place. It looks kind of dirty, so I don't know where my grandma is taking me. Oh yeah, also one thing is that my hair is still kind of curly from the previous perm. They told me not to get a perm with still permed hair. I'm gonna say fuck it and break the rules and see what happens if I perm my hair with still a tiny bit of hair permed. Kind of scared, but let's get it. First thing I do is wash my hair. Yo, look at this shit. This shit is steaming, bro. I'm scared, bro. Now I'm sweating like crazy, bro. What's happening, bro? They be supporting me T over here, man. How do you like the hair?
Don't like it.
This is the final hair. As you can see, look at the curls over here.